use ChatGPT in MacBook. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to use ChatGPT on MacBook. So first of all, just simply open your Chrome browser or any other browser of your choice, and on the search bar just simply search for ChatGPT and search for it and come to the official website of ChatGPT, and over here just simply log into your account if you want to, or you can also directly start using ChatGPT on your browser itself. And there is another way. You can go to the App Store and open your App Store, and on the search bar simply search for ChatGPT and just simply download the ChatGPT application in your device. If you don't find the application over here, all you can do is just simply go to the Chrome browser and search for ChatGPT app, and just simply go to your Apple Store and just simply download the application from here. So this is basically how you will be able to use ChatGPT in MacBook. I hope you find this video to be helpful.